Alright, if you're running automated blogs and blog automation using Arvo like me, so in order to display ads and monetize is first you need to go into the plugins, and inside the plugins you have to install something called Ad Inserter. So let me just click on Ad Inserter. Let me just click on Add Plugin. So let's just wait for it to open and then type Ad Insert. So we have got the Ad Inserter by Spacetime. You just install it now. So let's just wait for it to install. You have a lot of plugins, but I recommend plugins which have a good review and which has more installations, like this one, Advanced Ads Manager and AdSense. So click on Activate. And once you click on Activate, what you can do is you should go into the settings, and here inside the settings you will find Ad Inserter right here. Click on Ad Inserter, and once you find that, you can so this is one of the ad, and you can customize however you want to replace or place in your article. So let me just go and click on Activate. So this is already active, so I will disable insertion of this blog. So let me just go into my site. So let's just wait for it to load, and let me open an article. Alright, once I open the article, now you should see an ad. So this is an ad, so people can click on it, and it's just gonna take to the product. And yeah, that's how you monetize with the ads.